Welcome back to Tay Bay Tutorials, and today I filmed this drugstore glam for you guys. I wanted to do something different and affordable, especially because I am also trying to transition into new things. And you know, my foundation is $50 and it's hurting my pockets. So I was like, let me try to discover some new things while also using things I used to use. So I used a lot of new things, and I also used a lot of things that I still stick to and used to stick to. So I really do hope y'all enjoyed this drugstore beat, and let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. So some of these things I recently picked up, some of them I already know about but just didn't have. So I went to Ulta the other day and I got some goodies. So for the primer, I've been hooked on to Smashbox primer oil ever since I met that primer. It's been my life. I find one that's drugstore similar. When I was using drugstore, I used to use NYX. I don't know which one it was, but it was NYX. And this one, it's kind of like, it's called Honey Do Me Up, and I think it's like an oil texture. It's from NYX, and I just want to try it because I want to try something similar to that. I find that these are the best primers that work for me because I have really dry skin. So right off the bat, let me just say it is not an oil consistency like the primer oil. I guess I just thought it was because of the look and it's yellow, but it's definitely not. It's more of a like silicone-y, like a serum. Like it feels like a serum, like something you will use like literally just for skincare. But oh, it's definitely really hydrating. Like I feel really fresh. This is also something I wanted to try out, the NYX liquid Born to Glow illuminator, and I got mine in Sun Goddess, and I just wanted to try this out because I've seen a lot of people use it. It's really gushy, but anyways, I want to see how it is. I never used one of these on my face. I do have dry skin, so an extra glow, anything that works is good for me. Let's see, but let me just say this is super glowy. Like I wish I just glow like this all the time, glow like this all the time. I actually would use this like on a vacation with a swimsuit, put it on my body, you know, like it's really pretty on me. It kind of matches really well. So let's see how it look with the foundation on top. For foundation, I'm using the NYX Total Control drops, and no, this isn't a NYX tutorial. I will be using other products. It's just a lot of the stuff that's drugstore and that works really well with me happens to be by NYX. But oh, I forgot to say this, but I did my eyebrows off camera, and the stuff that I did use my eyebrows for was still drugstore. It's the L'Oreal Infallible and Brun, B-R-U-N. Yes, and I just did it off camera because I always do it off camera. And I got the NYX Total Control drops in Mocha. I have used these before. I really like it, so I'm gonna try to. I never used it with this on top of there plus this primer, so we're gonna see how that looks. But this is a really good foundation for a drugstore. It's giving me the look that I would use with my Smashbox primer oil, which is like a glow look. At first I thought it was too dark, and then I was like, it's just right. So I don't really know. Y'all can let me know what y'all think. Y'all see my neck? Okay, so for concealer, as you can see, I already have a little swatch on me. I actually used to love this concealer. This used to be my favorite all-time concealer. So I'm like, why not go back to it and bring it to y'all? Y'all probably already know about it because there are tons of people that use it, and it's the Fit Me Maybelline Concealer in 30 Cafe. and then I'm gonna mix it also with another favorite that I used to use in Fawn by LA Girl with the Pro Conceal. So we're gonna go ahead and apply that to all the areas. In my face, I'm gonna be using the Revolution baking powder. This is a setting powder from Ulta. I think I got it at, I got it at Ulta, and it's only $8. I think that's really affordable baking powder, especially because in like your actual store, it's kind of hard to find like a good baking powder, and this is a good one. So you can get this one in, I think I got terracotta, if I'm saying it right. And then they also have banana. So there we go. Really know how to feel about this powder. I don't think it's the powder because I used this powder before, but I don't know if it's the powder with the concealer, so I had trouble blending the concealer out for some reason. So I don't know, but it's being very weird and I'm not liking it, but I'm gonna keep going because I'm not starting over. And we're gonna move on to my contour. This is my favorite drugstore contour. I still use this to this day currently, as you can see in my other videos, and it's the Black Opal. It's actually a foundation stick, but since it's like 2 shades darker than me, and Black Walnut, I use it to contour and snatch the face. I use it for my nose contour and my face contour, like my cheeks, and I just slide it on there. To set my contour, I'm also using something that I still use to this day. If you have watched my top foundations, drugstore foundations that I use, I added this in there because this is bomb. I use this to contour though, and it's the CoverGirl Queen Collection 420 medium powder, and I just set my wherever I contour areas with this. So these are 2 palettes that I've been having for a long time. I did want to feature some drugstore palettes because there are good ones. Back when I was wearing drugstore, so like in high school, I had the biggest trouble finding drugstore eyeshadows that had pigment, that worked good with my skin tone. So when I came across these palettes, also by NYX, yes, I know more NYX, but these are really good palettes. They have super good pigment. I don't want to do nothing major eyeshadow. I just kind of wanted to like show y'all kind of how they look. Maybe y'all swatch this pink though. Y'all see that pink? Look at it on the back of my hand. See? Y'all see that? It's pretty. I'm gonna do this chocolate brown color. It's really pretty, and I'm just gonna put that in the fluffy brush in my crease, and that's really it. So the next highlighter I'm going to be using is from Wet n Wild, and it's in Crown of, I think it's Canopy, and it's a beautiful color. Look at it. Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see it. Woo. I love this. And I'm going to use this first, and then the second one I'm going to be using is my Wild and Radiant palette from BH Cosmetics. Y'all see this highlighter in every video. I still use this to this day. Every time I wear makeup, there's not a time I don't wear this highlighter, this gold and this one. It's just a duo. That's what it is. Okay, for eyeliner, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild pencil in black. And y'all, this pencil is 99¢. I use this every time I also wear makeup, drugstore, not. It just really doesn't matter what kind of eyeliner you use. I do black. Some people do brown. To each his own. For lashes, I'm going to be stacking these. These are I guess considered drugstore lashes, but really they're beauty supply lashes. So, you know, go ahead in the beauty supply and pick these up. This is a Miss Express Lash and M102B, and I'm gonna stack these with, let me get the other one, with M302A, and I love M302A. This is my first time trying M102B, so we shall see. But I want to stack these together and put it on my eyes, and boom, shakalaka. Okay, do y'all like these lashes? Yes, they are so cute. Like, for $3 too. So this is blush, and for blush I use the BH Cosmetics Forever Forever Nude palette, and I just mix that around and I apply it to my cheeks. Face, I'm going to be using NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. I heard good stuff about this. My best friend actually uses this, so we shall see. Only thing I have left to do is line my lips, and I'll be lining my lips with also another Wet n Wild pencil in the color brown. This is also 99¢ at your local Walmart. And I'm going to be using my lip gloss. My lip gloss is Pumpalicious from Forever 21, and that is my all-time favorite gloss. It looks so good. I wear it all the time. This is it for the Drugstore B. I hope you enjoyed it. If y'all would like more videos like this using affordable makeup, like, suggest something down below and I will go buy it, girl. Like, I'm into buying and trying new things. Yes, I stick to one thing, but I will definitely try it because there are some things that I realize like that I like here. One of them is the NYX Liquid Illuminator. I really like this. Like, I can see myself using this again. But yeah, this is all I have for you today, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification so you can be alerted every time I upload a video, because that will be pretty frequently now. So go ahead, turn it on right now and subscribe right now, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.